All right, listen up, folks. You want to make money from home? You want a system that's proven, tested, and built to deliver? Well, today's your day because myEcon 2025 is here, and the hype, it's real. And let me tell you, this is a complete game changer. This is the dawn of myEcon 2025, and if you're not paying attention, you're gonna miss the biggest wealth shift of the decade. We're talking global expansion, breakthrough simplicity, products that actually work. Time-tested, baby. Thousands have already leveled up with this system, and now it's your turn. So here's the deal. You want early access? You want to get ahead of the curve? I'm talking about grabbing this opportunity before the masses even know what hit them. We've got the guides, the resources, and a step-by-step plan to get you up to speed and producing results. Fast, no guesswork, no fluff. Just proven strategies designed to build a solid, lasting income. myEcon 2025 isn't just another program. This is the future of home-based business. We're not here to play small. We're here to revolutionize how ordinary people just like you, unlock financial freedom. You've got a choice. You can sit on the sidelines, watch others get rich, and tell yourself, maybe next time. Or you can step up, right here, right now. You can join the movement, use what's proven to work, and change your life forever. This is your moment, your myEcon moment. Let's make it happen. Click the link. Get involved. The future of income is here, and it's calling your name. Time to stay ahead of the curve. The future is now.